Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a new lesson. It's called adding and subtracting decimals. So, adding and subtracting here decimals and fractions. Okay, so if I have here this example, 1/5 plus 3/10 is equal to what? We have here different what? Yeah, different denominators. Different denominators. So when we have here different denominators, the denominators is what? It's the down here, the down fraction. So I want to show you. So, as you see here, I have here fifth and 3/10. How can I get here the common denominator? By getting the LCD, which is the lowest common factor. Okay, so 10 and 5. How can I get here the lowest common factor between them? It's easy. We have here 5. Okay, divided 5 equals 1 in prime factorization or by 3, and I have 10 divided 2 gives me 5, divided 5 gives me 1. So I have here 2 and 5 and here 5. LCM, to do what? 2 and 5, put them like this, and for the 5 put it here under the LCM. It's very kind. We will take from each one just one, 2, and we have here from the unrepeated and the repeated multiply 5, it's 10. So I have here that denominator is 10. Okay, you here write 10 and 10, and it's 10 here, the same like this. What about the fifth? What happens to 5 to become 10? 5 multiply, yes, 2. What I do down in the denominator, I do for the numerator. So here I have here multiply 2. So 1 multiplied 2 is 2. So the answer will be, let's be more clear for you, 1/5 again. Okay, 1/5. I need it to be something over 10. The denominator here is common. So 5 multiplied 2, and here multiply 2 the same. So 1 multiplied 2, so it gives me 2/10. Okay, so I have here 2/10 plus 3/10. We have common denominator, so write it here. 2 plus 3, 5. Then simplify. Both are divisible by what? By 5, table 5. So divided 5 gives me 5 divided 5, 1. Here 10 divided 5, 2. Okay, guys? So as you see here, it's easy like this. Okay, okay, I wanna tell you something now. Divisible by 5 means that the ones here is 0 and 5. Divisible by 2, the ones is even. Remember, divisible by 3, so the sum of the integers or the numbers here or the digits, the sum of example 21, is it divisible by 3 or not? I add 2 plus 1, it's 3, and 3 in table 3, so it's divisible by 3. Okay, and we're going to talk about this later. So I have here some exercises and they are very easy. Okay, if we have common denominator, so it's very easy to add. 3 plus 4 gives me, 7 over 10. Okay, and for the difference, it's easy to 5 minus 3, 2 over 8, and so on. What about if I have here different denominator? As I told you, I make here 4 and 8 with the same what the LCM of them. Okay, it's very easy. So how can I do it? I take 4 and m. 4 and m. 4 divided 2, 2 divided 2, 1, and 8, 8 divided 2, 4 divided 2, 2 divided 2, 1. So I have here 3 2's and here 2 2's. What do you think? 3 2's and the other 2 2's. And I take here the LCM is very kind. 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, from the repeated and from the not repeated. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So the LCM is 8. After that, I have here 8, okay, And what times 4 gives me 8? 2. What I do down, I do up. 3 times 2 gives me 6. So it will be 6 over 8. Okay, or 6 8 plus 5 8. 5 plus 6 11. 11 over 8. This is what? This is mixed, right? This is mixed. I want to convert it into, this is, I'm sorry, improper. I want to convert it into mixed. How? 11 divided 8, the nearest thing is 8 divided 8. It's 1. It's 1. Here the denominator the same, 8. Okay, 11 minus what I divided, 11 minus what I divided, which is 8. 11 minus 8 is, 3. Okay, this question is very interesting question. Evaluate when x equal third and y equal to fifth. Remember, x here is what? Third. And instead of x, write 1 over 3 plus 1 over 7. I have here different denominator. So what I do here, I get the LCD of them, or the LCM. So what are the LCM here? 3 times 7, 21. Okay, and then I can do another way. 21 and 21. 7 times 1, 7. And I have 3 times 1, 3. Okay, guys. 3 plus here, 3 plus 7 gives me what? 3 plus 7 gives me 10, and it will be 10 over 21. And here you are the answer. You can do the rest as practice for you, habibi. Use mental math. We love mental math. Okay, we use mental math to solve the question. 7 plus 7 equals 5 plus what here? Plus what? X. Okay, it's easy. So 7 equals 5 over what? 5 over 8 plus what? Of course, okay, 2 over 8. It's easy. Bravo. Okay, and after doing 2 over 8, we can simplify it. We can here write it in the simplest form. It's divided 2 because they are even, and the even is divisible by 2. So it will be what? 1 over 4. Okay, easy and interesting too. What about the second one? I have here x plus 5 over 11 equal 9 over 11. Of course, 4 over 11. Okay, because the numerator here, we add the numerator 4 plus the numerator 5 gives me here the 9 over 11 over 11 over 11. Okay, dear students, let's hear